Companies from the Atlas Copco Group originally located to Rock Hill in 1997. Since then, the company, which comprises more than 60 brands globally, has continued to grow in the area, with multiple locations across the county. York County is home to the global headquarters of one of our operating divisions, as well as the national headquarters for several business units. Atlas Copco Group products play a key role in producing just about everything we need and consume. Solutions include compressors, vacuum pumps, industrial tooling, and portable power equipment. We work across industry, including electronics, automotive, medical research, renewable energy, food production, infrastructure, and many more.
The yellow portable power machines you see all around the city, powering the growth of our vibrant economy, are all made right here. Real craftsmanship goes into every unit, and they truly are made by real people.
Sustainability is at the core of our story. On the roof above us, you'll find more than 2,000 solar panels to take the advantage of more than 3,000 hours of sunlight we enjoy here in South Carolina. We lead the way here, and we have signed up to the science-based targets underpinning our sustainability commitments.
Diversity runs through our business. We are very proud of this, and we celebrate regularly with a range of cultural events. We are present here and in over 180 countries. Interacting with a diverse local and global community, it's an everyday occurrence.
Diversity runs through our products too, from powering construction sites to life-saving medical equipment. It's all made here in York County.
I'm one of the many proud veterans within the Atlas Copco Group. One of the biggest things that you bring to the group from the military is your commitment to excellence.
The best part of my job is supporting the customers from every industry and seeing how the products are made.
The ergonomics of our product improve the lives of the operators and improve the productivity of the clients we're partnered with.
The weight is center. There's no pull on the front of the tool. And vibration is also reduced as well, which allows you a longer productivity time and improves the productivity of the companies we serve as well.
We are focused, actually I would say obsessed with innovation. Our products help manufacturers produce the essential goods we need. Saving money on electricity, downtime, and services are all key to keeping customers ahead.
We help U.S. manufacturers improve efficiency by having a superior machines that require less energy to produce more air.
The Atlas Copco Group has been established for more than 150 years and is built on a culture of innovation, interaction, and commitment.